WPEasyClone. Clone your WordPress website. WPEasyClone Agency, one click to backup and one click to clone every WP site. Transfer your website to new hosts and domain auto backup feature included. -24/7 support, step-by-step training. -17 local themes as bonuses included. One-time fee and agency rights included. Clone everything on your website including content, plugins, pages, themes, comments. Totally newbie friendly. One-time fee and agency rights included. Using WPEasyClone is easy as 1.2. Step number 1. Install WPEasyClone to your website. With just one click, everything on your website including text, images, theme, and plugins will be automatically downloaded to your computer. Step number 2. Install WPEasyClone to your new website. With just one single click, you can deploy the only one file to build a brand new website based on the old one. What is WPEasyClone? WPEasyClone allows you to automatically backup websites on an hourly, daily, monthly. Quickly transfer your website into new hosts and domain. Rapidly clone WordPress websites while maintaining everything on websites including images, content, text, themes, plugins, and comments. Angency rights included. Allow you to clone your successful websites in minutes and resell over and over again to your clients. WPEasyClone in a nutshell. Clone everything. Clone everything on your website including posts, pages, themes, content, comments, and so much more. Backup. You can use this tool to backup sites' content and create similar websites. WordPress Friendly. Completely compatible with all versions of the WordPress, which has been tested on so many websites. Newbie Friendly. Newbie Friendly, and it takes only minutes to clone websites. No matter how large your website is, WPEasyClone can cover it all. Constantly updated. This plugin will be constantly updated. Agency rights. We also provide agency rights which you can use right away for your clients. Clone affiliates website. Besides, WPEasyClone can be used to clone affiliate websites which you can resell to your clients, or you can build your own sample website, then use WPEasyClone to clone your website and resell to your prospects. Set up auto backup. Set up auto backup for your website on an hourly, daily, and monthly basis. That is totally up to you. It makes sure you can always maintain your database website without worrying too much. Transfer website. With 2 simple steps, you can transfer your website to a new place. It saves you a lot of time and effort since website backup and restores are extremely exhausting. Save time. WPEasyClone helps save time when building a brand new website. Imagine you do not have much time left, yet you wish to build an outstanding website that can attract people in the blink of an eye. WPEasyClone is there to help. Step-by-step training, no learning curve involved. One-time fee. You only have to pay once to backup websites on an hourly, daily, monthly. Bonus 17 local themes. We include 17 local themes, so you can combine them with WPEasyClone to use for your local clients. Clone your WordPress website.